Hello and thank you for watching today's review video. In this video, we'll be unboxing and assembling the GoGo Ultra X 4-wheel mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. The GoGo Ultra X has a top speed of 4 miles per hour. It can handle up to 260 pounds and travels up to 6.9 miles on a full charge. With a pair of scissors or a box cutter, open the top of the box and take out the user manual. You can then begin to remove some of the pieces of styrofoam to uncover the battery box, the basket, and the armrests. Remove those items and unpackage them. You'll also find the metal seat post, which is going to slide into the seat post sleeve and then get secured to the base so that you can mount the seat to that silver post, which is being unwrapped now. Once you have those items out, just remove as much additional styrofoam as possible and then locate the tiller adjustment knob. You can also remove the battery charger, which is going to be loosely packed, but you will need to raise the tiller bar, which is done by rotating the tiller adjustment knob counterclockwise, and then once it's up, retightening it so that it stays up. Here you can see the tiller adjustment knob. We are loosening it by rotating it counterclockwise, and then once you have it raised up, you retighten that tiller adjustment knob to keep it up in the upward position. From there, you can grab the chair, which is sandwiched between the tiller and a piece of cardboard over the footboards. Remove that piece of cardboard and then switch the brake lever into freewheel mode so that you can wheel the scooter out of the box. You can remove the scooter from the box easily by tearing out either the front or the back side and wheeling the scooter out, as opposed to trying to lift the scooter up and over the lid and the sides of the box. So as you can see here, we are removing the scooter from the plastic bag as we roll it out, and then you can just remove the plastic covering from the tiller. Then you can make some room by moving the boxes out of the way. You don't want to throw away any of the packaging for the first few days in case you need to return your product. As you can see, the GoGo Ultra X comes in red and it has 4 wheels. It has a detachable battery box, which is where you plug the charger into to charge the scooter. When you first get your scooter, it's important that you charge it overnight. The basket that comes included at no additional charge simply clips onto the front. Slide it right in with the 2 hooks. In the user manual bag, you'll find the key. Simply uncover the ignition with the sticker that's covering the ignition, then put the key in and give it a slight turn clockwise. In that same bag, you'll find some silver posts pins. Grab one of the larger pins and stick the seat post into the seat post sleeve and then slide that pin through the holes. You can use one of the several holes to adjust the height of the seat. Once that's ready, grab the seat and install it using the male insert that will slide into the seat post. You can verify that the seat is locked into place by using the rotating lever. In the same bag that the keys were in, you will find 2 additional large pins and 2 smaller pins. Grab the 2 small pins. Those are going to be used for the armrests. The armrests are secured with tension adjustment knobs. You'll have to rotate the tension adjustment knob located on the rear of the seat, as you're seeing here, until the armrest can slide into the sleeve. Once it slides in, you can use the pin to adjust the width. You have a few different slots, so you can adjust the width to make a more wider seat gap, and then use the tension adjustment knobs to tighten the armrests into place so that they don't wobble around. Disassembling the GoGo Ultra X is a breeze. Simply start by removing the basket, then folding the seat forward and picking it straight up to remove the seat. Then you can grab the battery box by the handle and lift straight up and put it to the side. From there, you can grab the Feather Touch disassembly lever and the seat post and pull straight up. That will detach the front of the scooter from the rear. Next, you can lower and lock the steering tiller to prevent it from being damaged when being transported in the trunk of a car. Next, you can reconnect the scooter's front end to the rear by using the 2 hooks with green indicators and latching them onto the bars with the matching green indicators. Unlock the tiller and raise it straight up, then hook the basket on, reattach the battery box, and then simply reattach the seat. There's nothing to it. It's one of the easiest mobility scooters to use. It has a traditional dash with a battery meter icon and a speed knob. It has a horn and it can be used independently with your right or left hand. We offer this unit and many more with free shipping and tax-free sales at mobilityscootersdirect.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.